Hi, Portia here with Stitch Story, and today I want to show you all the headband that I made for the Shamrock Shuffle 2020. Now, I was inspired to make this because I know a lot of people who participate in the Shamrock Shuffle. And now, if you don't know what it is an AK run that pretty much kicks off the spring season in Chicago. It's a tradition that has been going on for years. It's also a celebration of St. Patrick's Day. And in years past, I noticed that a lot of my acquaintances on Facebook, family and friends, they all post their pictures. So around that time, my timeline is lit up with green and they're participating in this AK run. So I said, how about this year, like for a friend, I could actually make a part of their gear and they can represent. So what I've done here is created a headband, and it is seed stitch border. The background is all knits, but the special piece about it is the actual shamrock here. And I absolutely love the way it came out. So what I did was charted it first. So I knew I was going to do 65 stitches and approximately 33 rows going up. And I said I wanted to do seed stitch border and seed stitch border, and then I knit across. So I had to know where to do my purls at. So I found this shamrock online. I charted it out and I just followed the directions that I made for myself. I actually hadn't made a chart in a very long time. Shoot, years it's been. But I am really happy with the way it came out. So once I did that, I went on ahead and I wrote it up real easy. Cast on my 65, did my seed stitch border for 8 rows, did the shamrock in between, and then finished it off. And since I charted it out and I wrote it down, the instructions were clear and concise, and I am definitely satisfied with the end results. So even with this headband, you can make the pattern pop out a little bit more if you want to get a little fancier by using a different color. You could totally do that, use an orange color that's like found in the Irish flags. But anyway, I'm very excited to share this with my friends, even family members who will participate this year. I really don't know how many I'll make and give away, but we'll see. But if you'll join me in my next video, I'll show you exactly step by step how I made this, from the seed stitch border to the shamrock to the body, and then the finishings off. If you got any questions or concerns, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. I will absolutely reply back to you. And then if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to Portia's Stitch Story. And until next time, bye-bye.